Here we have a surprisingly challenging question. We're being asked for the area of this triangle. We can't use 1/2 times base times height because we don't have two sides that are necessarily perpendicular to one another. And we could maybe use some more advanced formulas, but the trick is how to do this question in the simplest way possible. And the idea there is to get the area of the outer rectangle that encloses the triangle and then subtract away from that the three triangles that are outside of the area that we're actually looking for. So we're going to get the red rectangle, and we're going to subtract away from that this purple triangle here. And we're also going to subtract away this pink triangle here. And last but not least, this orange triangle here. So let's get to work. The area of the rectangle is going to be the length times the width of the rectangle. This rectangle has a length that goes from -3 all the way to 5. So that's 8. And it's got a height that goes from a height of -3 at the bottom to a height of 4 at the top. So that's 7. So the area of the rectangle is 56. Now let's start working on the triangles. Triangle number 1, which I guess can be this purple triangle. It has a base of that goes from 3 to 4, so a base of 7, and a height that goes from -3 to 4, so a height of 7. So 7 and 7, and the area will be 1/2 times 7 times 7, which is 49 all over 2. So now let's get the area of the pink triangle, triangle 2. And that's 1/2 times base times height. The base is 1, and the height goes from -3 to 3, so a height of 6. So 1/2 times 1 times 6, which is going to be 6 over 2, and that's going to be 3. Now we'll do the area of the orange triangle, triangle 3. And that is 1/2 times base times height. The base goes from -3 to 5, so the base is 8, and the height is 1. So 1/2 times 8 times 1, which is 4. So if we're doing the area of the outer shape, which is the rectangle, minus the area of the inner shape, which is the three triangles that we don't want, that would be 56 minus these three numbers put together. 3 plus 4 plus 49 over 2. So let's simplify that a little. 7 plus 49 over 2. That's 14 over 2 plus 49 over 2. And that's 63 over 2 right there. So we've got 56 minus 63 over 2. So 56 over 1 is really 112 over 2 minus 63 over 2. So what's 112 minus 63 is 49. So our answer is 49 over 2, which is the same as 24.5.